Today's song is Those Were the Days. We're going to play a lot with a strum called a tremolo, which means trembling, which is this. Once upon a time there was a tavern where we used to raise a glass or two. Remember how we whiled away the hours and dreamed of all the great things we would do. And give a nice little pause, and then we're going to move into the chorus. On the chorus, we're going to let go of that tremolo, and it's going to be a lot livelier. Those were the days, my friend, we thought they'd never end. We'd sing and dance forever and a day. We'd live the life we chose, we'd fight and never, for we were young and sure to have our way. La 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 la. Those were the days, oh yes, those were the days. Right, we're gonna do a full playthrough. That was recorded a couple days ago at the ukulele group called Isupa, which is East Side Ukulele Players in the Seattle area.
Okay, ready? Here we go.